Welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we're going to be looking at the question how to find the radius of a circle. The question we have here said find the radius and the diameter of a circle whose perimeter is 144. Know that perimeter is always the same thing as circumference. So we know that this is equal to 2 pi r. That's the perimeter. So now to do that, since is 144, it means that 2 pi r equal to 144. Then our circumference, our pi is what? 22 over 7, and our r is what we don't know. So then this multiplying through, we have 2 times 22 times r equal to 144 times 7. So r will then be 144 times 7 all over 2 times 2 times 22. So then our r will be equal to 2.9 cm. That's for the r. So now say the diameter. We know that diameter d is equal to 2r. So what we have here is 2 times, that will give us 5.8 cm. That's the diameter. Alright, thank you so much. Now we're going to be looking at another question in regards to what you have solved so far. So the next question we have is said that calculate the area of a radius. Calculate the radius of a circle whose area is 260 cm squared. So we know that area of a circle is always, so that means will give us 2. So we know our pi to be 22 over 7 times r squared, which we don't know. That will give us this. So 22 times r squared equal to times 7. So r squared will then be 260 times 7 all over 22. That will give us equal to, that will give us 82.733 squared, r squared. So to get r, we have to get the square root of this. So the square root of it will have as the final answer. Thank you so much for being a part of the class, and I hope you will subscribe and like. So I would like to read your comments. Make sure you comment. Thank you so much.